Welcome back to Motor Empire 007. Today we are exploring the all-new 2026 Honda CB250, a machine that perfectly blends everyday practicality with a bold modern attitude. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might just start seeing the 250cc segment in a completely different way. Picture this. You're cruising through the city, traffic all around you, chaos everywhere, but you're calm, confident, and completely in control. That's exactly the kind of experience the 2026 Honda CB250 is built to deliver. It's not trying to be the fastest bike on the planet, and honestly, that's what makes it so appealing. This bike is about balance. It's about giving you just the right amount of power, comfort, style, and control to make every ride enjoyable, whether it's your daily commute or a late-night city cruise. Right from the first look, the CB250 grabs attention. It carries a refined Street Fighter-inspired design with clean lines and a muscular stance. The fuel tank has been sculpted to look aggressive yet elegant, while the sharp LED headlamp gives it that futuristic edge. You'll notice how everything feels intentional. Nothing is overdone. Nothing feels out of place. It's a design that speaks confidence without shouting for attention. Now let's talk about what's under the skin. The 2026 CB250 is powered by a refined 200cc engine that focuses on smooth performance rather than raw aggression. And that's exactly what most riders actually need. The throttle response is predictable, the power delivery is linear, and the engine feels alive without being intimidating. Whether you're a beginner rider or someone with experience looking for a reliable daily machine, this bike adapts to your style effortlessly. One of the biggest strengths of this bike is how easy it is to ride. The lightweight frame combined with a well-balanced chassis makes maneuvering through tight traffic or narrow streets feel effortless. You don't have to fight the bike, it works with you. The riding position is upright and comfortable, which means less strain on your back and shoulders during longer rides. And let's be real, in real-world riding conditions, comfort matters just as much as performance. The suspension setup has also been tuned to handle a variety of road conditions. Whether you're dealing with smooth highways or slightly rough city roads, the CB250 maintains stability and absorbs bumps with confidence. It doesn't feel too soft, and it's not overly stiff. It sits right in that sweet spot that most riders will appreciate on a daily basis. Braking performance is another area where this bike shines. Equipped with a reliable braking system, the CB250 gives you the confidence to stop quickly and safely when needed. The feedback from the brakes is precise, allowing you to maintain control even in sudden situations. This is the kind of feature that might not sound exciting at first, but once you're out on the road, you'll realize how important it really is. Now let's talk about the modern features because the 2026 model doesn't hold back. The fully digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information at a glance, from speed and fuel level to gear position and trip data. Everything is clear, easy to read, and designed to keep your focus on the road. Some variants may even include smartphone connectivity, adding another layer of convenience for today's riders. Lighting is fully LED, which not only enhances visibility, but also adds to the bike's premium feel. The headlight design is sharp and modern, while the tail light gives the rear end a sleek, finished look. These small details come together to create a bike that feels much more expensive than it actually is. Another thing worth mentioning is fuel efficiency. In a world where fuel prices keep rising, having a bike that delivers strong mileage is a huge advantage. The CB250 is designed to be efficient without sacrificing performance, making it an ideal choice for daily commuters who want to save money without compromising on riding experience. And let's not forget the customization potential. With its clean and modern design, the CB250 is a perfect canvas for riders who like to personalize their machines. Whether it's adding aftermarket accessories, changing color schemes, or upgrading certain components, this bike gives you the freedom to make it truly yours. But here's the real question. Who is this bike for? The answer is simple. Almost everyone. If you're a beginner, the CB250 offers a forgiving and confidence-inspiring ride. If you're an experienced rider looking for a practical daily machine, it delivers comfort and efficiency. And if you're someone who just loves riding without worrying about unnecessary complexity, this bike checks all the right boxes. What makes the 2026 Honda CB250 stand out is not just one feature. It's the way everything comes together. It's not trying to dominate the segment with extreme specs or flashy gimmicks. Instead, it focuses on delivering a well-rounded experience that actually makes sense in the real world. And that's something a lot of bikes forget these days. They chase numbers, they chase trends, but the CB250 stays true to what really matters: reliability, usability, and rider satisfaction. As you imagine yourself riding this bike, think about those everyday moments: the early morning rides, the evening escapes, the quick errands that turn into relaxing journeys. That's where the CB250 truly shines. It turns ordinary rides into enjoyable experiences, and that's something you can't always measure on a spec sheet. So if you're in the market for a bike that looks sharp, rides smoothly, and fits perfectly into your daily life, the 2026 Honda CB250 definitely deserves your attention. And before you go any further, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Motor Empire 007 family, because we bring you the latest and most exciting machines from around the world, just like this one. At the end of the day, the CB250 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a companion for your daily journeys. It's the kind of bike that doesn't try too hard, yet still manages to impress you every time you ride it. And honestly, sometimes that's exactly what we need.